Today we're featuring a 2018 Hyundai Sonata Sport. It's silver metallic in color. It's only got 3,000 miles on it. All right, they got it marked down to 19.5. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock, unlock button, and the chrome door handles here. Driver's side of the vehicle's in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It is equipped with a rear backup camera. Passenger side of the vehicle looks amazing. All right, it's only 3,000 miles on this 2018. All right, so you're basically getting a new car for the used car price, and they got it marked down to 19.5, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, you got the black and gray door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Carpet down here is in great shape. Got the gray cloth seating, power driver's seat. Okay, driver's seat's in great shape. All right, there's not much not much bad things to say about a 2018 with only 3,000 miles on it. It's got the keyless entry. Passenger seat looks good. It is an automatic. It's got your 2 power outlets down there, a USB and auxiliary plug-in. Climate control area here with your heated seats. Push button start. Your display screen's going to be right there. Leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control, Bluetooth steering wheel audio, and it does have your blind spot monitoring system. And we'll go ahead and get your mileage while it's up here. We got 3,642 miles on it. All right, let's go ahead and take a seat in here. Go ahead and turn it on. Get the AC going. Alright, now that we're all lit up here, you can see the instrument panels there, the gauges. It does have 3,642 miles on it. And there's your home page there. Let's go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright, AC is already blowing cold, everything, no problems at all there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good back here. Cloth is brand new. Convenient power outlet down there. But as you can see, I mean, this thing is just, it's a brand new car basically. There's not a thing wrong with it. Alright, it does have the convenient center console that comes down with the cup holders. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Everything looking good there. Let's take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here is great, no problems. See, we got your spare tire down there. Alright, and I'll step to the side so you can see the depth, but there is a ton of room in the back of the Sonata. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Tires are brand new, plenty of tread left on them. Once again, guys, it's a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. It's got 3,000 miles on it. It's a beautiful looking car, not a thing wrong with it. Basically getting a new car for the used car price. All right, and they got it marked down to 19.5, guys. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.